Okay, my algebra, this is our last video to review for the final. I hope the final's pretty straightforward, but we will see. Okay, there's three properties you really need to know in math. Well, there's more than three, but three I'm going to go over this round. The first one's a multiplicative identity, which is whenever you multiply anything by 1, you get the anything. So if I said 4 times 1, it's 4. 7 times 1 is 7. So remember, whenever you're multiplying by 1, it's just a multiplicative identity. You're multiplying by 1, which doesn't change anything. The associative property regroups the problem, or you move the parentheses. So if originally I was grouping 1 and 2 when I added, then I wanted to add 3, I then regrouped, so I add the 2 and the 3 and add 1 last. So just remember, associative property, you're moving the parentheses. It's true when you're multiplying 2. If I have 1 times 2, then I want to multiply by 3. That's the same as 1 times 2 times 3. So you just move the parentheses. The last property we're going to talk about is the commutative property, and that's when you switch the order. So 1 plus 7 is exactly the same as 7 plus 1. I just switch the order. Switch the order. Same with multiplying. 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3. So hopefully you can remember those three. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. That's multiplicative identity. Regrouping or moving the parentheses in the problem, associative property, and changing the order, that's the commutative property. So we did that, holy cow, I think it was in August, maybe September, but wanted to make sure you got it. See ya.